Hello and welcome to How to Play Bahama Taxi, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Bahama Taxi. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 to 4 players. To play, you will need a Bahama Taxi board, a 52 card deck, a game piece for each player, and a pen and paper to keep score. The board has 4 sections, 1 section for each suit. Each section has 13 spaces, 1 for each card in a suit. The top card of the deck is flipped up to determine player 1's starting location on the board. The next top card is flipped up to determine player 2's starting position on the board. The cards drawn are set aside to start a discard pile. Next, 2 cards are flipped up from the deck together and placed by the board. The cards are stacked in a way that both cards are visible. The pair should be placed on the side of the board with the matching suit to the bottom card. A total of 8 pairs of cards are drawn from the deck and set up to begin the game. In Bahama Taxi, each player's game piece is considered a taxi. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored by a taxi picking up and dropping off a passenger based on a pair of cards. The bottom card of a pair of cards by the board represents a passenger waiting to be picked up. The top card of a pair of cards by the board represents where a passenger wants to be dropped off. Players will score points for each passenger dropped off. During gameplay, players will take turns moving their taxi 1 space at a time. A taxi can move to a space connected by a line or to a space that is touching the current space they are on. Once a player lands on a space with a passenger, the pair of cards is picked up and placed in front of the player. Here, player 1 made a move to the 7 of spades space and picks up the passenger. When player 1 reaches the 8 of clubs space, the passenger can be dropped off and scored for. When a passenger is picked up, a new passenger is created by drawing a pair of cards from the deck. Play moves to player 2, who will move to the 3 of clubs space and picks up the passenger. This passenger will be dropped off and scored for on the Queen of Diamonds space. Another passenger is created. Players will continue to take turns making 1 move at a time. When a player gets to a passenger's drop-off location, they will score points based on the number of spaces between the passenger's pickup point to drop-off point. A player will score for the amount of the shortest route between the 2 points no matter what route was taken. Here, player 2 moves to the Queen of Diamonds space to drop off a passenger. The shortest route from the 3 of clubs space to the Queen of Diamonds space is 5. Player 2 scores 5 points for this passenger. When a player drops off a passenger, the pair of cards for that passenger are discarded. Players are able to take any route they want during the game. Players are not forced to take the shortest route to drop a passenger off. Players can pick up additional passengers, and players can choose to drop off passengers they have in any order. Just remember that players will only score points for the shortest amount of spaces in a route. A player can have up to 3 passengers in their taxi until the draw deck runs out. Once the draw deck runs out, players can only have 2 passengers. If a player has 3 passengers when the draw deck runs out, that is fine. They will not be able to pick up a new passenger until 2 of their 3 passengers have been dropped off. Once there are only 4 passengers left to be picked up, players can only have 1 passenger. Again, if a player has 2 passengers when there are only 4 passengers left, that is fine. They will only be able to pick up a new passenger when they drop off the 2 passengers in their taxi. If a player's taxi is full, they can still move to a passenger pickup space, but will not pick up the passenger. Players cannot occupy the same space at the same time, and players cannot jump over another player's game piece. If a player is blocked, they will have to take another route. Once the last passenger is picked up, the game is immediately over, even if players still have passengers in their taxi. The player with the most total points when the last passenger is picked up wins the game. That wraps up how to play Bahama Taxi. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.